Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App on Xbox. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Xbox, like log into your account, and then here, so when you have your account here, so when you have your Xbox games here, so just make any purchase once. Just choose anything that you want to purchase. Okay, so for example let me choose this, so just use this. So I'm gonna put this and then I'm gonna hit on buy, and then when I hit on this buy option here, so what I'm going to see is it's going to ask me for a payment method, so I'm going to add a payment method. So click on add a payment method, and then once this loads here, so you will see the different types of payment options available for you depending on your region. So just waiting for this to load. So once this loads, so what we're going to do, so these are the options that I have. So if you want to use Cash App, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply click on your credit or debit card option, and then simply plug in the details of your Cash App card. So you need your Cash App card in order to use it on Xbox. So you can just you can get your Cash App card from your Cash App or from Cash App. So once you get that, so all you have to do is just simply plug in the details of your Cash App card and then hit on save and then proceed with the purchase. So that's how you can use your Cash App on Xbox by using the Cash App card, and you need that card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful.